Oh, let's go the animals. The hat! Ruti! Hat! Nalaglag! Animal encounter. Michael, this way. Yeah, there is.
I want that.
Yeah. Yeah, you love it.
I want to ride it, Mama.
Oh my gosh, you love to ride it too. We're gonna see animals. Look at these animals. That's the station of the train, Dan. Oh, over there. That roof in there.
That's the what?
The train.
Yeah.
Where to start? That roof over there.
Okay.
The brown.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's the start. Car.
Should be animals in there. Huh?
Cow.
Give me a bad hat, okay? Give me a bad hat. Come here, Mama.
Yes.
Yeah, no, Daddy.
Look at that bunny. Michael, there's a bunny.
Tiger salamander.
Oh my
And then
gosh.
last we have Madagascar kissing cockroach.
Do you wanna pet Michael?
Nice and gentle, right on his back. Good job. He's just about to go inside.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, look at that, Michael.
What will you do?
Michael, look.
Cockroaches.
Cockroach anak.
You can touch, just really gentle,
touch?
right on his back. But I'm gonna hold him, okay? Good job.
Wow.
There's more in there.
Yeah, there's two more. See him? It is just about time for them to go inside. So we'll put this one back.
Oh,
Bye, Cracker.
Buddy.
what's up?
Bye, Cracker.
Where are we going?
I was just checking out the milking place, and then they had ice cream in there, so I was just looking
Okay.
around.
What's in the cage?
He is a tiger salamander.
Oh, yeah.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger salamander. Look at that.
See his little face over there?
We can't touch that.
No, we're not going to touch him because he can soak stuff in through his skin. And so anything we have on our hands, we don't want it to soak in through his skin and make him sick.
Oh yeah, that's
So his
right.
eyes only.
With poop.
You know where
With poop.
Poo poo, huh?
Where? Because you said,
I don't know where.
Oh, okay.
missing person.
oh.
Oh yeah, I don't know where she is.
Well,
Stay here.
we have another carriage with a youngster that's somewhere in the area. I think she has a cell phone with her. So.
Okay.
Do you guys have?
Oh Michael, let's go to the playground. Get down na. Okay ka, busy. Oh, let's go na. We're gonna go to Sophia playground. Let's go. Michael, hurry up. All right, Michael. It's cool, huh, Michael? You like it, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go na. Engine. Michael, come here. Okay.
3 goats if you want to pet them.
I don't.
Right over there.
We're gonna go train because they're gonna close soon.
I took a video of the train. Everybody was waving to me.
Wow. Nice. Michael, come here.
Come on. Look at your face, it's very red.
Mistisa man. Mistisa yan, mistisa.
There's funny, there's slippery. It's okay, we're gonna ride the train.
Michael, come here.
See, RR, that's where they.
Hello. We're gonna ride a train. Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Oh, I think we still got cars.
Mama, there's ice cream in the zone.
Yeah.
See that, Mama, over there? Mama, it's over there.
Yes, Michael.
Yes, we got some ice cream. Mama, we got some ice cream.
Yes.
Bumpy.
Bumpy.
I see there's a carousel.
There's a carousel. I love it, carousel.
Mama, look at that.
Michael, there's a cart. Come here. Michael, that's a peacock, not a turkey. Do you wanna see that?
Let's take a picture of it.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Pick up.
Hi, peacock.
Pick up.
Peacock, anak, peacock.
Pick up.
Michael,
What are you doing?
peacock.
Pick up. What are you doing? Pick up.
Oh, let's go na. Oh, bye-bye, peacock.
Bye-bye, pick up.
Huh? Oh, come here.
Come here, buddy.
Look at the bird. You see the bird? You see there's a bird, lots of bird, right?
Come here.
See the bird?
There's you're on a train track. There is. You're on a train track.
Ito yung elephant. Dito Oh, there's Sophia, you're gonna wave on the other side.
Oh, you're gonna wave.
Yeah, there's Sophia.
Oh, go wave, Michael. Hi.
Yeah, there's a lot of people there. Oh, that's the high.
Hi, highway. My gosh. That's the highway on there. Milwaukee.
Huh? You want daddy to come? Oh, next time daddy's gonna come with us. What did you do? 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 What did you do
a train. Hey, get your water, Michael. Michael, get your water.
Behave man.
Yeah, behave on Tiffany, oy. Behave on Tiffany. Sophia, come here, anak. Come on. Michael, Dion, this way.
That is there outside.
Dion, Michael, this way. Michael, this way. Dion, this way. Wow, Dion and Michael ride a train. So cool. Oh yeah. Train tracks. Dion, good job, Dion. Good job, Dion. Michael, come here. This is the exit here.
Open the door.
Oh, say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Oh, let's go now. Mike, Dion, don't need, no need. You're gonna help the floor. Okay, good night. Bye-bye. Bye, train. Did you have fun? Dion had fun. You ride a train, Dion. Good job, Dion. Let's go now. This way. We're gonna get the baby sister. Alright. Thank you for watching, Sophia.
Okay.
You've been a good girl, huh?
Yeah, she was.
Watching. You're just sitting here. Yung carousel naman.
So I guess Sophia and I are going to go on the carousel.
Wow. You guys gonna ride that? Michael and Dion gonna ride it.